So, my lord, there's been a request to show the whole of the picture.
My lord, if it can be cropped so that they see the whole picture, because as it depicted on the screen, it only shows the top part, but not the whole picture, my lord.
I see. Ngiyacela kumele ukuthi ivezwe yonke because kuvele nje la phezulu kodwa ngicela ukuthi sivezwe sonke isithombe.
Can we continue with the second picture?
Ngicela ke silandela isithombe.
Yes, we're still on the first. All right. Page. Let's start again. Page 3.
Okay, page 3 is a picture of lot of 100 rands money saved as curved raw 8035D14002.jpg.
Lesi sisibona isithombe ama-100 rand amaningi sibhalwe curved raw 03835D14002.jpg.
Page 4.
No, page 2. Yeah, page 4, sorry.
Page 4. Impande yesono JPG 2014-0902 is a picture of money, 200 rands and 100 rands.
Lesi ke isithombe page 4 ibhalwe impande yesono JPG 2014-0902 ama-200 nama-100 rand.
On page 5, igugulo lomhlaba 2014-0816 is a money in a plastic of 100 rands, 200 rands and 50 rands.
Igugu lomhlaba 2014-1608 imali ke eseplastikini leyana ama-200 ama-50 nama-100.
On page 6, Ngeofanini na, it was served Ngeofanini Ngekhohlwe, it was served as money, lot of money, which is 50 rands, 100 rands and 200 rands, and they look to be on the floor.
Imali ke ephansi leyana kubhalwe Ngeofanini Ngekhohlwe ama-200 ama-100 nama-50 aphansi.
On page 7 is an image saved as 2014-1126/W80002.jpg. It says time 12:47:14. It's a picture of a man in an orange overall.
Laphayana ke 2014-1126 WA002.jpg isikhathi ke 12:57:14 umlisa ke loyana ofake i-overall orange.
On page 8 is an image 2014-1126 JPG time 16:15:44 of a gentleman in a traditional attire.
Kulesi ke isithombe 2014-1126 0003 JPG isikhathi 16:15:44 umlisa ke ogqoke ezesintu.
On page 9, two gentlemen. It was served as IMG 2014-1123-WA0007.
Lana kulesi sithombe ke u9 u2014-1123 WA0007 abalisa ababili abahlezi.
Just go back to the picture. The person crouching there, can you just describe the hairstyle?
Which one? This one?
Yes, the one in front.
Okay. It's a picture of a man with dreadlocks.
Lesi ke isithombe lo hlezi phambili isithombe somlisa onama dreadlocks.
Yes. Page 10.
Page 10. It's a picture of two gentlemen next to the car, one with dreadlocks. It was saved as a IMG 2014-1106 WA0001 JPJ.
Kulesi ke isithombe abalisi ababili abemi eduze kwemoto onama dreadlocks u-2014-1106 WA0001 JPG.
On page 11 is a picture of a man sitting in a car with dreadlocks.
Lana ke isithombe somlisa ke ohlezi emotweni onama dreadlocks.
On page 12, it's a picture of a man with dreadlocks and an earring, wearing a badge jacket.
Lana ke umlisa onama dreadlocks ofake iqiqi onama jacket beige.
It was service IMG 2014-1026 1731-14.
Isavwe nanjengo 2014 1026 1731 14.
On page 13, it's a picture of a man wearing a red shirt, blue shoes, with dreadlocks, seems to be injured on the left arm.
Lana ke ku page 13 2014 11 22 13 33 25 umlisa ofake ushoti obomvu icathulo eziblue ubukeka elimele esandleni.
It was service IMG 2014-1122 13325.
Indlela ke sevwe ngayo 2014 11 22 13 33 25.
Page 14, the gentleman wearing a red shirt.
Lana ke ku page 14 umlisa ogqoke ishirt elibomvu.
Page 15, the picture of a man with dreadlocks with a gold teeth, wearing a blue, black, yellow, and red T-shirt. It was served as IMG 2014-1123 WA0007.
Lana ke umlisa onama dreadlocks onezinyo legolide uneskipa esi-red esibomvu esimnyama esiblue nesiyellow sisavwe nanjengo IMG 2014-1123 WA0007.
Page 16, it's a picture of three gentlemen, one with dreadlocks, seems to be enjoying themselves. It was served as IMG 2014-1105 1820 43.
Lana ke abalisa abathathu esibabonayo omunye ke unama dreadlocks abonakala ke ukuthi kumnandi kubona save nanjengo 2014 1105 1820 43.
On page 17, it's a picture of two gentlemen standing next to the car, one with dreadlocks, wearing beige trouser and a jacket.
Lana ke isithombe sabalisa ababili omunye ama dreadlocks unxibe ugqoke ibhulukwe eli beige kanye nejacket.
It was served as IMG 2014-1026 1728-39/001.
Save nanjengo 2014 1026 1728 39 001.
Page 18, it's a picture of a gentleman with dreadlocks. It was served as Idlamanzi W.
Lana ke umlisa onama dreadlocks save nanjengo Idlamanzi W.
On page 19, so a gentleman with dreadlocks, Idlamanzi I. It was served as
Ku page 19 umlisa onama dreadlocks save nanjengo Idlamanzi I.
On page 20, it was served as photo 0007, a picture of three gentlemen, one in the middle with dreadlocks.
Lana ke photo 0007 abalisa abathathu lona ophakathi nendawo kunama dreadlocks.
Page 21, it's a picture of three gentlemen, or four gentlemen, served as photo 0170.
Lana ke abalisa abawu4 isave nanjengo photo noma isithombe 0170.
Page 22 is a photo saved as photos 0009/001. It's a picture of two gentlemen, one with dreadlocks.
Ku page 22 isithombe sabalisa ababili oyedwa nama dreadlocks isithombe sisave nanjengo 0009/001.
On page 23, there's a picture of two gentlemen standing, one with the hands of hugging another one. It was served as curved raw 8803507 C000.
Abalisa ababili ke nalana ke babambene ke usave nanjengo curved draw o 083507 C000.
On page 24, it's an image, IMG 2014-1105-1822-17 of 5 gentlemen, seems to be enjoying.
Lana ke kulesi sithombe 2014-1105-1822-17 abalisa abawu5 bonakala ukuthi kumnandi kubona.
The one on the left with dreadlocks.
Lona ke ongaku left unama dreadlocks.
Page 25 is a curved raw 8003063 C000. It was served as that. It's a picture of, seems like two gentlemen that I can see clearly with hats.
Abalisa abawu2 engibabona kahle ke bagqoke igqoko save nanjengo curved draw o 083063 C000.
On page 26 is a picture of two gentlemen sitting on a bed.
Ku page 26 abalisa abawu2 bahlezi embhedeni.
Photo was served as photo 0061.
Sithombe sisave nanjengo 0061.
On page 27 is a picture of a gentleman sitting in a car or taxi, you can see.
La kulesi sithombe ke umlisa ohlezi emotweni noma etaxini angiboni.
It's a curved raw 80356 D4002.
Sisave nanjengo curved draw o 083556 D4002.
You're able to see his hairstyle on the screen. The screen, because the photo is not clear.
Yes, I can see there's dreadlocks on the.
Ngiyabona ke kunama dreadlocks.
On page 28, the picture was served as curved raw 8035F94002. It's a picture of 3 gentlemen standing next to a blue and white van.
Ku page 28 isithombe save nanjengo curved draw o 0835F94002 abalisa abathathu ke bemiduze kwevan noma ibhaki ke eblue and white.
On page 20, 035C, 5 gentlemen.
Ku page 29 ke isithombe sabalisa abawu5 sisave nanjengo curved draw o 0835C544002.
Looking on the screen, are you able to describe the hairstyle of the one on the left of the picture?
Yes, the person in the left of the picture got dreadlocks.
Yebo lo oku left esithombeni unama dreadlocks.
On page 30, it's a picture curved raw 8035C 6C002 of gentlemen, about 5 or 4 enjoying themselves.
Ku page 30 ke save nanjengo curved draw o 0835C6002 abalisa abawu5 kubukeka ukuthi mnandi kubona.
On page 31, the curved raw 8033B 0C000. It's a picture of 3 gentlemen enjoying themselves.
Ku page 31 ukeved row 00833 BOC 000 abalisa abathathu kumnandi kubona.
Again, looking on the screen, are you able to describe the hairstyle?
Same hairstyle, dreadlocks on the gentleman on the left.
Kuseke kulo ya hairstyle ke kulo oku left ama dreadlocks.
On page 32, the man standing next to the pole seems to be talking on the phone. It was served as photos of 0017.
Kulesi sithombe ke siseve nanjengo 0017 nomlisa ke oncikile ke epalini lapho bukeka ekhuluma efonini.
On page 33, it's a picture of a kumbi or a taxi. It was served as curved, raw 802 B1E41D4.
Page 33 isithombe ke sekhumbi noma i-taxi ke eseve nanjengo curved row 008 2B 1E 41D4.
On page 34, it's a picture saved as curved raw 801 A2 FC 1D4. It's a picture of 3 gentlemen standing there.
Lana ke lesi sithombe save nanjengo curved row 008 1A2 FC 1D4 abalisa abathathu bamile.
Looking on the screen, the one on the far right, are you able to describe the hairstyle?
Yes, I can describe the hairstyle is dreadlocks there.
Ngachaza ke nalaphayana ukuthi ama dreadlocks lona ke ngaku right.
On page 35, it's a picture saved as 10 390422 154511 238573 2006 50655 86481228849123 and
Lesi sithombe ke sisave ngale number lena e103 90422 1545112 385732006 50655 8648 1228849123
picture of many people in one.
Isithombe ke sabantu abaningi endawonye.
The hairstyle of the person on the far left and in the middle of the picture.
Both got hairstyle, dreadlocks.
Bobabili ke laba lo ongaku left kanye nalona ke ophakathi nendawo banama dreadlocks.
On page 36, it's a picture with 3 people. It was served as 1085-7993, 1545-0153-9907-5038-882-9493
That's it.
The picture of 3 people in one on the right with dreadlocks.
Isithombe ke lesi sabantu abathathu ke ndawonye lona ke ongaku right ke yena onama dreadlocks.
On page 37 is a picture of a firearm. It was served as my killing machine 2014-1006.
Lana ke isithombe sesibhamu sibhalwe laphayana ke umshini wami wokubulala noma my killing machine 2014-1006.
Silver and goldish 9mm pistol.
Si silver ke na gold i9mm pistol.
On page 38, it's a picture serves as IMG 201405 WA0003 2014-1003. It's a picture of a rifle and a 9mm on a car seat.
Lana ke lesi sithombe u38. Isithombe save ngo 2014-05-27 AA0003 2014-1003. Isithombe ke se rifle kanye ke ne 9mm sisesihlalweni ke semoto.
On page 39, it's a picture saved as Insimbi Ehlayisa Olova, JP 20141006. It's a picture with firearms.
Ku 39 ke isithombe lesi ke esibhalwe noma esisavwe insimbi ehlanyisa Olova JPG 2014-10-06 isithombe ke seyibhamu.
Are you able to describe the firearms that are visible there?
From what I can see, the firearms, most of them are the 9mm pistols.
Ngikubonayo ke ibhamu lezi ke uningi lwazo ama 9mm ama pistol
With ammunition.
kanye nezinhlamvu.
On page 40, it's a picture saved as Ishiabazali Z 759mm PJG 140902.
Lana kulesi sithombe ke u40 lapha yaphezulu kubhalwe ke ishiya abazali Z 75 9mm PJG 2014-09-02.
It's a firearm with a magazine and 2 ammunition.
Isibhamu sinemagazini kanye nezinhlamvu ezimbili.
Are you able to tell the caliber?
9mm.
Inhlobo ke noma uhlobo lwesibhamu i9mm.
On page 41 is a picture saved as curved row 8035B 3C002 of a 9mm pistol, an X and panga.
Lana ke ku page 41 ukeved row o08 u35 B3C 002 isithombe sesibhamu imbazo kanye futhi ke na ucelemba.
On page 42 is a picture of a gentleman standing next to a car with dreadlocks. It was served as IMG 2014-1106 AWA 0007.
Isithombe somlisa ke ume eduze kwemoto sisave nanjengo 2014-1106 WA 0007.
Page 43, it's a picture saved as IMG 2014-110201 WA 003. It's a picture of a kumbi or a taxi.
Isithombe lesi sekhumbi noma itaxi ke sisave nanjengo 2014-1101 WA 003.
Green and white color.
Umbala ke ugreen namhlophe.
Page 44 is a picture of about 6 gentlemen. One in the far left with dreadlocks.
Isithombe lesi sabalisa abayisithupha noma abawu6 sisave nanjengo 2014-0930 WA 0001 lona ke osenxeleke unama dreadlocks.
On page 45 is an image saved as IMG 20140316 WA 0001 of 2 gentlemen.
Kulesi sithombe ke sibona abalisa ababili sisave nanjengo 2014-0316 WA 0001.
On page 46, it's a picture of 4 gentlemen, one in the right with dreadlocks. The picture was saved as photo 0023 2014 1026.
Lana sibona isithombe ke sabalisa abawu4 lona ke ongaku right unama dreadlocks save nanjengo 0023 2014/1026.
On page 47, it's a picture saved as photo 0029 2014 1026 of about 3 or 4 gentlemen.
Kulesi ke isithombe u47 sibona abalisa abawu3 noma abawu4 photo 0029 2014 1026.
The one in the middle is wearing a beige jacket and a beige trouser.
Lona ke umphakathi nendawo ke ugqoke ijacket ebeige kanye futhi ke nebhulukwe beige.
Enjoying themselves.
Mnandi kubona.
And his hairstyle, the one wearing beige clothes,
Dreadlocks.
Futhi ke lo ugqoke beige ke unama dreadlocks.
On page 48, it's a picture of 2 gentlemen standing next to the wall. It was saved as photo 0034 2014 1026. The one on the far right wearing a badge and a trouser and a jacket.
Ku
Enjoying.
page 48 ke abalisa ababili bancike ubondeni lona ke ongaku right ugqoke beige futhi ke kumnandi kubona.
looking at the picture on the screen, which is clearer than the photos, you're able to see the hairstyle.
Yes, it's a
Look at the
dreadlocks.
screen. The screen.
Yes, I can see. I can see. On page 49 is a picture with manis and firearms, 3 9mm and 1 revolver. Manis around and I can papers.
Lana ke sibona isithombe seyibham kanye nemali ke ama 9mm awu3 kanye ne revolver imali ke amaphepha.
It was served as curved raw 8035B0C002.
Save nanjengo curved raw 00835B 0C002.
Looking at the screen, are you able to tell the denominations of those bundles of money?
Money. Plus minus 6 or 7.
It's the denominations.
Okay. It's a 50 rands, 100 rands, and 200 rands.
50 ama 50 ama 100 nema 200
I cannot see clearly.
angiboni kahle.
Yes. Yes, may I proceed? That's all the photos.
That's the all photos that I have compiled
Izona ke lezo izithombe zizonke engayihlanganisa.
based on the request by the investigating officer for his investigations.
Ngokwesicelo sakhe ke umseshi noma umphenyi weqala ke okumseke umsiza noma umlekelela ke uphenyo lwakhe.
Yes. Were these the only photos that were stored in the memory card?
There were a lot of photos in the memory card. The ones that I've compiled is the one that was identified and requested by the investigating officer.
Zaziningi ke izithombe ku memory card kodwa lezi mina ke engihlanganisile lana izona ke ezachazwa ke zasezi noma ezakhonjwa ke mezicelwa uyena umseshi weqala.
Yes, you can continue.
I think I should clarify, my lord, the spreadsheet as to what it means and the chart.
Okay.
Ngizochaza ke manje ukuthi lamaphepha amabili ke kunale bathi i-chart kunalena bathi ke spreadsheet ukuthi asho ukuthini.
Yes. The spreadsheet is Annexure A, is that correct?
Annexure A on my affidavit. Can I continue, my lord?
Yes.
The spreadsheet in a table format. The first column says number of suspects is the number that was provided to us as belonging to Mtobisi, Gadla, Mkunu.
Okay. Lana uzama uchaza ke noma uchaza ke lokho kubhaliwe lana ukuthi inamba ke yomsolo noma inamba ye suspect lana inamba leni inamba lena esayinikezwa thina.
Yes.
I'm looking at Annexure A here. I'm not so sure whether we have the same picture. Maybe the places you can try this.
You also
Annexure A refers to something else, which is present. That's Annexure
Yes, just clarify the annexures for the sake
Can I
of
just quickly finish the thing?
Yes.
Inamba ke lena esayinikezwa kuthiwa eyakhe ke umsolwa. So my lord, the witness referred to Mkunu, but I'm going to read it as it is written there. It's not written Mkunu, it's Mtobisi Gadla Mncube, but the witness said Mkunu.
Yes.
Okay.
On the third block, it says number contact. The fourth block, it says name contact.
Bese kubhaliwe ke inamba axhumene noma ke ayifonela noma axhumene nayo kwase kubhalwa futhi negama ke lalowo exhumene naye.
On the number contact, there's telephone numbers, name contact, their names.
Lana ke kubhalwe khona ke inamba contact ngisho ke inamba axhumene nayo kuneyinamba ke eyibhaliwe ke lapha yana kwase kubhalwa name contact ukuthi ke umuntu axhumene naye noma igama kunamagama ke abhaliwe.
The next one is the station, the case number, and then the crime.
Kwase kubhalwa futhi ke isteshi kubhalwa futhi ke inamba yecala lelo kwase kubhalwe futhi ke necala.
The next one is the source where the number and the name were found.
Kuse kubhalwa ke nala khona ke igama kanye futhi ke nenamba ezatholakala khona lokuthiwa isource.
The next one is the subscriber ID, which is the IMSI.
Okulandelayo ke bese kuba yi-subscriber lokho ukuthi ke ID lokho bathi IMSI.
Subscriber ID. Then the next one is a serial number.
Bese ke okulandelayo ke kuba i-serial number.
The last one, it says it was compiled by me.
Ekugcineni ke ibese iyasho ukuthi ubani owayihlanganisa isho mina ke.
I explained earlier that we are doing this spreadsheet in order for analysts notebook to read the information.
Bese ngishilo ke ngaphambilini uma ngichaza ke lokhu ukuthi umhlaziyi ke ukuthi ke akwazi ke ukuthi akubhale phansi noma ke ilokho kubizwa ukuthi i-notebook i-information leyo ekhona.
Notebook, analyst notebook program.
kanye futhi ke I notebook I program lena ke yakhe umhlaziyi bathi I notebook.
It was prepared for the analyst notebook program so that it can read the information and give us a chart as annexure B.
Ukuthi uhlanganiseke izosi lesinika ke I chart lena ke eku annexure B.
Annexure B comprises of the information on annexure A in a chart format.
Lana ku B ile ya mininingwane ke noma le ya information eqedwe ufundwa manje ke eku annexure A lana ihle iyahlanganiswa ke yase yenziwa I chart,
which we call it association charts.
uma siyibiza ke sithi ke I association chart.
Thank you.
And what is the purpose of annexure A and B?
The purpose is to compile or compile the contacts, SMSs, dialed numbers that was made by the cell phone or was received by the cell phone.
Inhloso ke noma injongo yakhe ke annexure A no B I chart lena kanye futhi ke ne-information lena efundiwe ke ukuhlanganisa ke ama contacts, ama call enziwe iyona le phone, ama calls atholiwe iyona le phone, ama SMS.
And just there on the left column of annexure A, can you just read that number into the record?
Left column.
Yes, the first column.
The number is 72766169.
Le number ke ebhalwe lana ke u7276686169.
Yes, and the subscriber ID and serial number.
The subscriber ID is 655-0122-49151373.
I-ID yayo ke i-subscriber u655-0122-49151373.
The serial number, which is the IMEI number, is 3597960502979902.
I-serial number noma le number ke bathi IMEI u3597960502979902.
And who downloaded the information from the device, from the handset?
The information was downloaded 2015 by Sergeant Kosi.
Kosi. Information noma ke imininingwane lena ke ya downloadwa ke ngo-2015 uSergeant Kosi.
And then upon the request by the investigating officer on this matter, I have to go back to our archives to get the information and compile this report.
Bese kuthi ke ngesicelo sakhe ke lowo ophenya ke icala leli noma umseshi ke bese ngibuyela khona ke la kugcinwa khona ke imininingwane yethu ke noma esiphoyiseni ke ngiyothola ke kona lokhu bese ngihlanganisa ke lokhu okulaphambi kwami.
The date was on 2020-08-17.
I-date kwakungayi-17 zika August ngo-2020.
And after compiling this report, what did you do with it?
After compiling this report, I kept the information on my laptop.
Ngathi emuva kokuthi sengihlanganiseke lo mbiko ngase ngigcina ke kwi-laptop yami.
And then other information, I copied it into a CD
Eminye ke imininingwane ngase ngiyikhiphela ke noma ngiyikhopya ke kwi CD.
then hand it over to the investigating officer
Nikeza ngayo ke kuyena ke ophenya icala
as a working copy,
nanjenge copy ke yomsebenzi noma eyokusebenza.
Yes.
and then he used the working copy to identify the pictures that I have compiled here.
Noma ke copy esebenzayo ke ukuthi ayisebenzise ngokuthi ke boneke izithombe lezi.
Yes. And do you confirm the correctness of your report?
Yes, I do confirm, my lord.
Lokhu ke okulana kulombiko ke ngempela ke ngiyaqinisekisa ukuthi kungale ndlela ke engibhale ngayo.
Is there anything that you wish to add?
No, I'm done.
Ngiqedile ke akukho engifisa ukuthi ngikwengeze.
Thank you, my lord. That is all.
Thanks, Mr. Pallet.
I've got no questions for this.
No cross-examination, fine. Sir, let me see.
As it is a court matter, I do a cross-examination.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Let's start where you concluded with the testimony. Few steps just before you could conclude your testimony. Let's go to page number 48 of your report. May it please be beamed in the screen there. Just enlarge it. Thank you. May you describe what you see in that picture?
I see two gentlemen
Yes.
of focus.
Ngibona lana ke kulesi sithombe set off. Abalisa ababili.
In question. Okay. And then I said one on the right is wearing a badge or a beige trouser and a beige jacket with dreadlocks.
Ngitheke lona ke ongase ngakwisandla sakho sokudla ke une jacket kanye futhi ke nebhluku eli beige kanye ke nama dreadlocks.
Is that what you said? Is that what you said, sir? In your description of that picture?
Hopefully so, unless I have missed out a little bit of something.
Themba ukuthi yiloko engikushilo ke ngaphandle kokuthi khona ke engikugejile.
I am not asking you to tell me what you said in your description in that picture. I've asked you to describe what you see in that picture. Do you get the difference?
I see two guys standing next to the wall
Yes.
with cans.
Ngibona abalisa ababili abemi eduze ke kobonda kanye namakani.
You must tell me when you're done, Phil.
One on the right with dreadlocks, beige jacket, and beige trouser.
Lona ke ongakwisandla sakho sokudla ke unejacket elibeige kanye nebhuluku elibeige.
The other one, a red jacket and a blue jean.
Omunye ke useduze kwakhe ke yena ke ufake noma ugqoke ijacket elibomvu namajini ablue.
The house is next to where they are.
Kunezindlu ke eduze kwala bakhona.
I'm done.
Thank you. Is this the same description that you gave in your chief evidence or in your evidence in chief?
You are asking me to elaborate whatever I'm seeing there. When I described the picture, I went for the person in question as I was asked by the investigating officer and described the person as I see him there.
Ngicela ke wena ukuthi ngichaze kabanzi ke kodwa ke uma bese ngibuza ke ngichaze ke ngalomuntu lona ke ekuyena ke ekubuzwa ngaye nangendlela futhi engimbona ngayo esithombeni.
Sorry, is it not a slip of a tongue? You say Mr. Baloyi is an investigating officer.
No, I never mentioned the name of the investigating officer.
Yeah, you mentioned the word investigator. So that person who was asking you questions was not in this room.
Oh, okay, by the
Okay.
investigating officer, Brigadier Kininda.
Okay.
Mangikhuluma ngaye ke umseshi ke noma umphenyi wecala ngikhuluma ngaye uBrigadier Gininda.
Kiminda. Okay.
Thank you, sir. You were requested to give a description of what you're seeing in that picture there here at court. Why did you decide to give a description that came as a result of the request from Mr. Kininda here at court?
The advocate asked me to describe the person on the right side of the picture.
Engicela noma umbuzo ke uthi ubuzwe la enkantolo ukuthi uchaze ke ukubona la esithombeni. Kungani ke usuchaze lokho wena owacelwa uBrigadier Gininda? Ngasephendula ke uthi umshushisi ke ungicelile ukuthi ngichaze ngalomuntu ongakwisandla sokudla la esithombeni.
Sir, please, let's understand each other. And I don't want it that there should be this renvoy thing, you know, the to and fro between me and you. I was listening you very well. In your description of photo number 48, which is the reason why I actually said, let us start with photo number 38. That description that you gave came out of your own volition. The prosecutor never said, in respect of photo number 48, never said, can you then please describe what you are seeing in photo number 48? Out of your own volition, you said, photo number 48, this is what and what and what and what I see. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do understand. And it's
Then
true.
why are you then...
Ngiyakuzwa ke futhi kuyiqiniso ukuthi ngiyiphendulela noma ngiyikhulumele mina engangibuzanga kumshushisi kwaba yimini oyichazelayo ukuthi ngibonani ku photo 48.
Then why are you saying it is the prosecutor in photo number 48 who requested you to describe the person that you're seeing on the left-hand side, on the right-hand side of the photo?
He has been doing the same thing with other photos. He wanted me to do the same with the rest of the photos.
Bekuyinto ebekade yenza ngezinye izithombe ngakho ke ebefisa noma ebefuna ke ukuthi ngazo zonke izithombe ngichaze ngaleyo ndlela.
So he has always been saying to you, can you please describe the person that you're seeing on the right-hand side of the photo?
Not always. I was advised to do so by him.
Abengasukuthi njalo nje kodwa ke indlela ke angiceleke noma athe angenze ngayo.
What did he say you should do, sir?
Please, I don't know, what is counsel aiming at? What is the purpose of this line of, without interfering with his cross-examination? what is the point that council is trying to make, with the greatest of respect?
Yes, sir. I'm going to.
As it is the court, my lords. I'm not so sure whether I need to say or answer the question about what is the purpose that I hope to achieve with this cross-examination. It's about credibility. I'm well positioned to ask this witness on the evidence that is a standard in order to test his credibility. I'm not so sure whether I need to proceed.
No, proceed.
As it is the court. Is that what my colleague Advocate Baloyi said? That you should always describe the person who's appearing on the right-hand side of the photo.
Not the person who...
Please, my colleague was in court. If there's anything that he wants to put, he can put to the witness. I don't know why he should inquire from the witness how the state do so, but
It's a question of credibility.
Let me clarify.
Konikezile ukuthi indlela umshushisi asho ngayo kwenako ukuthi hlala nje njalo uchaza umuntu lona ke okwisandla sakho sokudla isithombeni.
That's true.
Kuyiqiniso lokho.
Now the question is, did he say that you should describe the person who's on the right-hand side of the photo in all the photos that you have just described?
Not only the person on the right, some are on the left, some in the middle. Yes, he has always been asking me to describe the same person.
Akusuka ukuthi ke umuntu okwisandla sakho sokudla ngesikhathi ukwisandla sakho kunxele noma uma phakathi kwendawo uma phakathi nendawo kodwa ke bengicela nje ukuthi ngichaze umuntu oyedwa.
Thank you. On photo number 48, you're saying there are dreadlocks on the person who's on the right-hand side of the photo. The gentleman is wearing some whitish clothes, they're not so? That was a description of him.
Yes, that's true.
Yebo ngishilo ukuthi lona ke okwisandla sakho sokudla kwesithombe unama dreadlocks.
Where do you see dreadlocks then? Where are they?
On his head, the dreadlocks there.
Ekhanda kuyena kunama dreadlocks lapha.
Why do you say there are dreadlocks there, sir?
I see there's, what's this called? There's lines on his head there.
Ngiyabona ukuthi kunama lines akhona kuyena ekhanda.
Come again? You see there are lines in his head?
Should I say the hair is not
I
like?
don't know what you should say. I'm asking. You said are there lines in his head?
Yes.
Yebo ngisho kanjalo ukuthi kunemigaqo noma kunama lines ekhanda kuyena.
Sir, may you kindly go nearer to the picture and demonstrate specifically to this court where those lines are, so that the court can also be able to follow.
You can see here.
Uyabona lapha, ngiyabona. Khomba ke ekhanda.
So on the basis of the fact that you are saying that that picture is depicted there indicates that the person that you've pointed out has got lines in his head. As a result, he therefore has got dreadlocks.
Yes, it's dreadlocks.
Yebo ama dreadlocks.
And you are basing that on the basis, and you are basing that on the fact that you are saying it has got lines in his head.
Because I can see it's dreadlocks. I was just...
Ngiyabona ukuthi ama dreadlocks bekuthi nje bese ngichaza kabanzi ke ukuze uzongizwa.
Are you a hair specialist, sir?
I'm not a hair specialist either.
we are where we were yesterday. I really don't see the purpose of this cross-examination. We are dealing with real exhibit. There's the exhibit. I don't know what is council now trying to dispute.
Yeah, you know what? Let's be fair. This gentleman on the right,
Yes, madam.
that's not the only picture of him, of his image in Exhibit A.
Yes.
We all know that. If you go to Exhibit 47, for instance, he appears there. If you go to Exhibit, there's no magic here. You can see there are images of this gentleman starting from the beginning, going that way, and you chose to start at the end. Are you with me?
That is how I intend to test this.
Okay, you see, no, let's just be fair. Cancel. I can see images which start from the beginning of persons who are alleged to have dreadlocks. You can put it to the witness that those are not dreadlocks. You're entitled to do that. He says he sees dreadlocks. Now you're asking him if he's a hairdresser.
My Lord, on the basis of what the court has just said, is it not for a witness to say, I've already had a view of this person in the previous pictures. I therefore assume that in this same picture, he still has, or he still looks like the very same picture that I've seen initially. Is it that not for a witness to say that?
You remember when before we started with these proceedings, all your colleagues and myself, we read a passage from a 1927 case. Remember? R versus Hepworth.
Yes, my Lord.
Yeah, please. I don't have to read it. Get to the meat of the cross-examination.
In terms of R versus Hepworth, my Lord.
Yes.
R versus Hepworth, it says the court should be able I mean, the court should not just be an armchair critic and a couch potato. Should, when necessary, get into the arena and clear issues that are not clear. Yes, that's how I understand R versus Hepworth. But nonetheless, my Lord,
Wait. Let the lady fetch that book. Otherwise, we're going to... Hello? In my chamber, that red book, ne? Let's read that for all our information.
so in the meantime,
Yeah, wait,
I shouldn't pro-
let's say, because I may
I
be
shouldn't
wrong, you know?
proceed.
I may be wrong.
yes, my Lord.
Yeah.
Okay, no, I understand.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Who wants an adjournment? You can take the adjournment.
I can perhaps quickly read it in the meantime.
You've got that?
As
Have you got that, the citation there?
yes,
Is it in full? Or
there is R versus Hepworth, 1928 AD 265 at 277. The court said the particular responsibility resting on the presiding officer when dealing with, well, it refers to an unrepresented accused as being repeatedly stressed in our jurisdiction.
That is a subsequent elaboration on
yes.
the original.
Yes, it
text.
says,
I'm sorry. Let's read that.
yes,
Because there they are dealing with an unrepresented accused.
yes, but they elaborate further this on the writers and say the basic principle is simple and tried. The presiding officer must see to it that justice is done. One or often more is required of the presiding officer than merely correct adherence to procedural prescriptions. The Constitution now also contains the all-embracing injunction that a criminal trial must be fair. It is improper for the court merely to ask the other accused whether they confirm what the other accused said. But yeah, this is in the context of an unrepresented accused.
Yeah, that's our way of it for it. It's an incantation of that 1928 case, but specifically it's in pursuance of an accused person who is not represented. But the citation we all read together, all of us, relates to even counsel.
Yeah, perhaps here's the relevant portion. A criminal trial is not a game where one side is entitled to claim the benefit of any omission or mistake made by the other side. And a judge's position in a criminal trial is not merely that of an umpire to see that the rules of the game are observed by both sides. A judge is an administrator of justice. He's not merely a figurehead. He has not only to direct and control the proceedings according to recognized rules of procedure, but to see that justice is done.
The relevant page, by the way, is what, 270? Okay.
The one I was reading from is 277.
277. Ah, yeah. Okay. Sorry, just bear with me because we all read this. It was all appreciated together.
Yes, I can read another portion.
No, wait, just wait a bit. Just wait a bit. Can I have that citation? Because here, somebody interfered with these pages.
Well, it's 1928, Appellate Division, 265.
So it's page 265.
Yes.
I thought it's. You see this book? It was printed during Paul Kruger's time. Okay, just read that one. You see what has happened? Somebody came and interfered with the book. The pages are now. Just read it from there. We all know what we want to hear. But when Mr. Advocate Munisi.
I've heard the citation, my lord.
Yeah, no, but
Yes.
you didn't mention some of the things in the citation.
Oh, okay.
One of the aspects, they say a party must not be taken advantage of. You remember that one?
Yes, my lord.
No.
Yes,
And another thing is,
yes.
Mr. President, Mr. Baloi.
Oh, okay.
I think Mr. Baloyi is struggling to find it there because it's right at the index now,
No,
or at the pagination, or at the content. I don't think it is there.
No, I was looking at something else, my lord.
You were looking at something else, my lord, not Hepworth. But nonetheless,
Yeah, okay, we can continue.
yes,
Well,
yes,
we all know what you should do.
yes, my lord, yeah.
Okay, fine. Thanks, continue.
I'm actually in line with what Hepworth is saying. I'm not trying to take advantage of this witness, my lord. It's what I'm doing is only induced by the responses that I'm getting from him. Because in one sentence he says, it is my colleague, Mr. Baloyi, who requested him to describe the man in the right. And then in the same line, he's also referring to Mr. Kininda.
Okay.
Yes. But nonetheless,
Okay, let me read. I found it at last in this jumble thing.
is it please the court?
Yeah. Yeah, in this matter, Rex versus Hepworth, Kerr Lewis, as he was then, said this: a criminal trial is not a game where one side is entitled to claim the benefit of any omission or mistake made by the other side. And a judge's position in a criminal trial is not merely that of an umpire to see that the rules of the game are observed by both sides. A judge is an administrator of justice. He is not merely a figurehead. He has not only to direct and control the proceedings according to recognized rules of procedure, but to see to it that justice is done. Okay. Yeah, it's enough.
Thanks, my lord. Say, let me put yourself at ease. You know the gentleman that you have just identified, the gentleman on the photo that is now being flighted there, who's on the right side, that's actually accused number 3 here at court. There's no doubt about that. Do you understand?
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Uma ushoke ukuthi lo mbesake okhonjwayo laphana noma ngichazayo kuyisanta sasokudla ukuthi number 3 la enkantolo okay.
Are you putting to him?
I'm putting his mind at ease, my lord.
Now about number 3 and what have you? Are you putting it to him?
Yes.
That the person on that photo is in court?
Yes, it's accused number 3.
Is that so? Okay,
Yes.
fine. Okay,
Yes.
yeah, fine.
That is accused number 3.
Right.
Yes, thank you.
Oh.
And he's appearing in a number of pictures in the photo album that you've compiled.
Futhi ke ukhona kuyithombe eziningi ke kule album ke oyihlanganisile.
Do you understand?
I do understand.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Thank you. Now, at the inception of your testimony, You said some pictures might be taken through the gadget itself, that is now the cell phone that a person is in possession of, or they could be sent from somewhere else. In other words, they could be forwarded from another phone. Do you still recall that?
I recalled.
ngiyakhumbula ngishilo ke ekuqaleni ukuthi ngenzeka ukuthi ithombe lezi kusetshenziswe wona-ke umakhalekhukhwini lo ezitholakala kuwena noma-ke zithunyelwe omunye umuntu ngenye ifoni.
Let's park it there. You're saying you've been attached to the POCC since 2013 as an analyst. In paragraph 2 of your 212 affidavit, not so?
That's true.
Ngishilo ke la kumbiko wami ukuthi ngisebenza lana ke kule POCC kusukela ngayo ke u2013 nanje ngomhlaziyi.
What does POCC stand for?
Stand for Operational, Provincial Operational Coordination Center.
Kumele yona ke i-Provincial
Operational
Operation Coordination Center uPOCC.
Thank you. Now, you further say, as part of your prelude to your investigation, that as part of your duties, you're required to analyze information that is obtained from cellular telephones, namely incoming and outgoing calls, phone contacts, and SMSs. Is that so?
That's true.
Ngishilo ukuthi nanjengengxenye yomsebenzi wami ke ukuhlaziya ke information etholakele ke ku cell phone ama calls ewenzile kanye futhi nalawo ewatholile kanye nama SMS.
Now, that is exactly what we have done as per annexure A and B, not so?
That's true.
Iloko ke engikwenzile ke kulokufakazi noma annexure A kanye no B.
And to augment that, or to put a cherry on top after you've done that, you'll then go and testify in court on regular basis in South Africa on what you have just done. Is that so?
That's true.
Nokuthi nginikeza ngobufakazi ngathi ke isikhathi esiningi ke kuma kuyinkantolo zala eNingizimu Afrika.
There is this other information in the very same paragraph that I'm going to request you to explain it to me in very simple terms. You are saying, as part of my duties, I am required to analyze information obtained from cellular telephones, namely incoming and outgoing calls, phone contacts, and SMSs. That is after the information was retrieved by the POCC downloaders unit. Do you understand that?
I do understand.
Can you please explain that? After the information was retrieved by the POCC downloaders unit.
I will say we have people who download
Yes,
phones specifically,
yes,
only download. They deal with downloading.
yes.
We have people who deal with analysis of that information that has been downloaded.
Yes.
I myself, I do both.
Okay. La emaphoyiseni ke sinabo ke abantu abathi nje bona wabo umsebenzi ukuthola ke imininingwane noma ukudalena ebizwa ukuthi ukudownloada sibe nabo ke aba analyst noma ke abahlaziyi mina ke ngikwenza kokubili. Yes.
So, okay. So, in other words, you download and also analyze.
Yes, I download and analyze.
Mina ke ngiyadownloada bese ngiyahlaziya ke.
It says incoming and outgoing calls, phone contacts, and SMSs. Do you follow?
Yes, I'm following.
Ngiyakuzwa ke la ufunda khona ukuthi ama calls enziwayo, ama calls atholwayo, ama contacts kanye futhi nama SMS.
And from there, because we are saying you're doing both, I would also understand that you are a POOC downloader. Then from there you go to court and testify on a regular basis in the course of South Africa and the country. Is that so?
That's true.
Bese ngiya ke inkantolo ngiyonikeza ngobufakazi.
You've just testified about pictures that were exhibited here in court. But in this 212 statement, I don't see any sentence that relates to the fact that you also called upon in the course and scope of your duties to also compile photo albums that you are getting from particular gadgets. It's very specific. It says your duty, it's about incoming and outgoing calls, phone contacts, and SMSs. Nowhere do they speak about photos.
Yes.
Can you explain that?
Yes, we do. I do also pictures as requested. If you request pictures, from the phones or memory card or whatever, I have duties to do that.
Uma kuwukuthi ke kunesicelo ke noma wenza isicelo sokuthi ngenze izithombe ke nalokho ke ngiyakwenza.
Thank you, sir. How long have you been in the employ of the South African Police Services? I'm actually not sure whether you're there. Are you in the employ of South African Police Services?
Almost 20 years as a member of South African Police Service.
Cishe ke ngibe neminyaka ewu20 ngisebenza emaphoyiseni.
And how long have you been involved in this downloading of information, or in the capacity that you are involved now, which necessitated you to come and testify at court?
10 years. this year.
Kulonyaka ke iminyaka ewu10 ngenza ke wona lo msebenzi lo engifakaza ngawo namuhla.
In your curriculum vitae, which I think is what is contained in paragraph 4, might not be a curriculum vitae as such, but these are the trainings which you have. Can you please point me specifically to a point where it says we are also trained with regard to downloading of photos in a gadget that has been brought to you, and thereafter you go on and compile pictures of the said photos?
There's one which is 4.11. That's the video enhancement.
Lana ke ungibuza khona ukuthi angichaze ukuthi yikuphi la chaza khona ukuthi ngathola ukuqeqeshwa ngokumayela nezithombe u4.11 la ekhuluma ke ngokwenziwa nkulu noma ukuenhancwa kwe
Forensic image and video enhancement.
lana ke ku4.15 ikhuluma ke ngo5 ukuthi ke ama forensic izithombe kanye futhi ke nokwandiswa ke kwe video.
4.14.
Yes.
Anagapa crime intelligence analysis.
Bese kukhulunywa ke la ku4.14 anakapa crime intelligence noma ukuhlaziya ke kwayo crime intelligence.
4.17 and 4.18.
Na ku4.17 no 4.18 nalapho ke iyachazwa.
4.17 and 4.18 speaks about risk diversion. X-ray intermediate version 7.3 international accreditation in brackets, open brackets, risks diversion. 4.18, it's the same thing. It's just a duplication what is being said in 4.17.
It's not the same thing.
Akusiyona ke into eyodwa leyo 4.17 no
If you can
4.18.
read, it says XRY intermediate, the other one says XRY certification.
Okay, thank you.
Then yeah, that's the ones.
And that's all.
That's the ones that I worked with.
Zona ke lezi engisebenze ngazo.
My question is in relation to a cellular phone. Yes. Where is it indicated to deal with information that relates to cellular phones?
Sorry. To save time, let's read 2. I have been attached to the POCC since 2013 as an analyst.
Yes.
As part of my duties, I am required to analyze information obtained from
Yes.
cellular telephones,
Yes, my lord.
namely incoming, outgoing, and phone contacts. I thought information is a generic word which encompasses even photographs. Information.
Yes, my lord. I think he himself in his 212 does qualify what that information is, because it goes on to say, namely, incoming and outgoing calls and phone contacts and SMSs. So I've read and understood that.
Yeah, but the information, all of that information comes from cellular devices. That's the point. Information, that's why I say it's a generic word.
As I'm saying, my lord,
Okay, go on.
and I do not intend to misunderstand this information, but he says, as part of my duties, I am required to analyze information obtained from cellular phones. Which information? He says incoming calls, outgoing calls, phone contacts, and SMSs. That's the reason why I'm a bit. I just want him to explain. In what capacity did he then go on to analyze photos that are found in a cell phone? Because specifically these are his duties.
My lord, when
Yes.
we download a cell phone,
Yes.
we download the device, we download the SIM card, we download the memory card if it's there.
Yes.
Uma ukuthi ke senza ke siya downloada efonini. Downloada yona iphone, i-device, i-SIM card, ne-memory card uma kuukuthi ikhona.
Then we concentrate on the SMS's contacts
Yes.
and the calls.
Yes.
Bese sigxila ke kuma SMS, ama contacts kanye futhi ke nama calls.
Yes.
The information that is downloaded,
Yes.
some comprises of photos.
Kuleyo mniningwane ulwazi noma information edownloadwayo ke eminye yayo ifaka phakathi nezithombe.
We only do the pictures downloaded upon the request.
Senza kuphela ke izithombe lezi ezidownloadwe ngesicelo noma eziceliwe.
That's why on page 2, 6.1, I mentioned the name of the phone, the telephone number, the IMEI number, the IMSI number, and a memory card.
Ingakho ke la ku page 2 ku 6.1 ngichaza iphone, ngichaza iphone number, ngichaza iMEI, iMSI kanye futhi ne-memory card.
Because it was requested from me that I should compile the pictures downloaded from the memory card.
Ngoba bekuyisicelo ke leso ukuthi mina ngihlanganise ama picture ahlanganiswe ku memory card.
Although this is not your operational area, but upon request you are able to do that.
It is my operational area, my lord.
Yeah,
My client is raising his hand.
yeah, okay, fine, no problem. Perhaps you may continue, sir.
I'm informed, my lord, that it's already 3:30. I don't have a chronometer in my position.
Mr. Balui.
I'm not so sure whether this might not be an opportune time for an
Says-
adjournment.
3:30.
As the court pleases, if it's still going to be a while, we may as well adjourn now. But if it's on the point of wrapping up, we may maybe carry on for
Ask your colleague.
another 10-15 minutes.
I
We
said
can
he must ask you how long you're going to be. Because he says, if you're not going to be whatever,
I
we
think
may
that's
continue.
adjourn, my lord.
Okay, we must adjourn. Okay, no problem. You don't want me to work overtime. Hello, are you available tomorrow, Sergeant Mabasa?
Hopefully for my, yeah, I'm available, madam.
Okay, 10 o'clock then.
Yes, it is.
Go to adjourn.